The pancake, a narrow, leveled cake usually consisting of eggs, flour, and sugar. It is believed it was invented by the Romans a long while back. Now, in 2020, we have invented a form of pancake called the protein pancake, which combines the normal ingredients of a pancake with protein-rich ingredients. So, I made it today to see what all the hype was about. The ingredients are in two groups, the fundamentals and the add-ons. The fundamentals are 1 cup of oats, 2 teaspoons of milk, an egg, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 scoop of protein powder. The add-ons, which make your food taste great, are 1 banana, 1 teaspoon of salt and cinnamon, 30 M&Ms and raisins, and 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. Now, you can start to make the meal. First, get a large mixing bowl for all of the ingredients. The fundamentals should be added first. Mix after adding in every ingredient to allow the food to be incorporated properly. Start with the oats, protein powder, and baking powder. Next, add an egg, which acts as a binder, and your milk after. The order doesn't really matter, as long as you add the milk in last, but that is what I did. The order of the add-ons also does not really matter, so I did it inside this order. Banana, then salt, cinnamons, M&Ms, raisins, and finally, the nutmeg. Do a final mixing for 30 seconds so the batter is incorporated. It's cooking time! Get your pan on medium to high heat, preheating for 30 seconds. Add olive oil, then the batter. I cooked my pancakes for around 5 minutes for each side, but the time it'll take you depends on a lot of factors such as size, diameter, width, and height. You need to look out for browning on the bottom of your pancake, which is what I did. Flip. Do another 5 minutes, which was already stated above. The pancake is done after all of those steps. Taste time. The pancake is good, and I feel it deserves a 7.5 out of 10, but I would much rather eat a normal pancake. Speaking of normal pancakes, let's compare the two. In normal pancakes, sugar, flour, and milk make up the base, which aren't very good for your health. You are better off eating sugary cereals like Fruit Loops than this. They do have the benefit of having better browning and tasting better. On the other hand, the protein pancakes bases are great for your health. The next time you have a decision between the two, make the right choice and go protein.